Good afternoon, everyone. Today's topic is three variable K-map. Okay, what are the steps to minimize using three variable K-map? So first, check given expression is three variable K-map canonical or not. If it is in not canonical, convert into canonical. Next, second step. If it is SOP, place once in K-map according to the given min terms. Okay, if it is POS, place zeros according to the max terms. Next step is check group of 8 ones or zeros. Group of 8 is known as octet, remember this, and select the common variable. Okay, next, if group of 8 is not available, check group of 4, means quad. Okay, quad of ones for SOP, quad of zeros for POS, and select common variable. If 4 ones also not available, check for 2 ones. Okay, 2 ones or 2 zeros, and select the common variable from that pair. Next, last one, single ones. Okay, if no quad, no fours, no eights, use single. So what is the order? Octet first, second quad, next pair, then only go for single. Okay, next K-map. How to draw the K-map for three variable? Okay, first draw. Consider I am variable 1 here, A in vertical side, BC in horizontal side. I am considering like this. Okay, so for A, how many combinations have? 0 and 1. Two combinations only possible. So I am splitting the box into 2. Okay, splitting the box into 2. This is 0, this is 1. Next BC, two variable means 4 combinations. So split into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 column. So first 0th column, this one is 0th column. This is first column. This is second column. This is third column. So each one is represented with gray code. So gray code of 0 is what? 0, 0. Okay, one gray code is 0, 1. Two gray code is 1, 1. Three gray code is 1, 0. Okay, like that you have to write numbers 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now I have to write find out the indexes. So indexes go in this order. A, B, C. Go in this order. So what happened? 0, 0, 0 means this cell becomes 0th index. Next 0, 0, 1 first index. 0, 1, 1 means third index. 0, 1, 0 second index. 1, 0, 0 means fourth index. 1, 0, 1 fifth index. 1, 1, 1 sixth index. 1, 1, 0 sorry 1, 1, 1 seventh index. 1, 1, 0 it is sixth index. Okay, like that you have to write indexes values. For suppose if it is a SOP, this 0 means min term. Okay, this 0 means min term. For suppose I am using SOP. SOP means you have to write this 00 with SOP notation. 00 means B bar, C bar, right? 01 means B bar, C. 11 means BC. 10 means B, C bar. Here 0. A bar. 1 means A. This is SOP. Okay. A, B, C. Next, POS. POS means this is A, this is A bar. And this term will comes B plus C. B plus C. This one B plus C bar. This one B bar plus C bar. And this one B bar plus C. So remember this notation, SOP and POS notation. And suppose I am taking vertically two variables now, BC. Okay. And horizontally one variable. Then what happens? Okay. So writing BC, you write C here, B here. Okay. C here, B here. Or else you can write BC, no problem. That is your wish. BC. Okay. Now horizontally we get how many combinations? 1, 2, 3, 4 combinations. Vertically we get 2 combinations. 0, 1. Okay. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now write indexes. 0, 0, 0. This is 0th position. Next 0, 0, 1. This is first position. 0, 1, 1. This is 3. Next 0, 1, 0. This is 2. Next 1, 0, 0. Means 4, 5, 7, 6. So this is the vertical notation. Okay, this is the vertical notation. You can use any one. Okay, mostly we use first notation only, but in sometimes exam directly they give this table, this came up form. Okay, now let us see some problems. 3 variable came up. I am given sigma 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. Let us draw the truth table. How can we draw the truth table? We have 3 variables. Okay, 3 variable. First draw the truth table, 0 to 7 combinations, right? First draw the K-map truth table. Okay, 0 to 7 combinations. First one is, this one is 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7, 0 to 7 combinations. So 0 means 000, 1 means 001. Now F. I given F values are what? 1, 3, 5, 7. So at 1, 3, 5, 7 place ones. 1, 3, 5, 7. Place 1 and remaining values are zeros. Okay. Now go for K-map. I draw the K-map. A, B, C. Whatever order is available, this is A, B, C. Follow same order only. A, B, C. Don't follow wrong order. Okay. So now place indexes. This is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now place ones. I given sigma. So place ones here. Where 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now check for 8 ones. 8 ones are available? No. Next check for group of 4 ones. So here group of 4 ones are available. So consider this one. Okay. Consider this one. Now I am using S4P, right? So notate these values also. This is 0 means A bar A, and this one B bar C bar B bar C B C B C bar. Now check these two rows. Now check these two rows. Any common is available here? A bar. No common is available. Now check these two columns, because the quad is available in these two columns only. Check the common term. Common term is what? C. The common term is C. So finally F is equal to C. This is the final value, final answer. Okay. Like that you have to write the minimized Boolean expression. The final answer is C. Using Boolean theorem also you can check you getting C or not. Okay. Try yourself that one. So answer is F is equal to C. Okay. Next. Problems on 3 variable. Next problem. Sigma 0, comma 2, comma 4, comma 6. I given 0 to 4, comma 6. Write the truth table. So indexes what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the indexes and truth table. Okay. At position 0, 2, 4, 6 ones are available. Now draw the K map. A, B, C. Now I given S4P, so give notation. This is A bar, this is A. Next B bar, C bar. Next B bar, C, B, C. This one A, B, C bar. Now also indexes 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. You write indexes also. Now place ones. Where we have to place one? 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 1. 4, 6. Okay. Now you have to check for 8, 1. 8 ones are not available. Next, check for 4, 1. You think here 4 ones are not in group, but corners can be make into group. Okay. Corners can make into a group. So 4 ones are available at corners. Okay. 4 ones are available at corners. So you can make like this 4 ones. Okay. 4, 1. Now common value. check horizontally. Horizontally, no common. Now check vertically, column wise. The common term is what? C bar is common. So final answer is F is equal to C bar. Okay. Next. So final answer is C bar. F is equal to C bar. Next, third problem. I given sigma 1, 3, 4, 6. So write truth table 1, 3, 4, 6. Okay. Next, K map. In K map, place 1, 3, 4, 6. What happened? 1, 3, 4, 6. Sorry. 1, 3, 4, 6. Okay. 1, 3, 4, 6 available. Now 4 ones are available. Group of 4 ones are not available. We have 4 ones, but there are not group. So next check for pair. This is one pair. First pair. And second pair I am representing with blue color. This is second pair. We have two pairs here. Now first pair and second pair. Okay, first pair common value is right expression for first pair. Common value is what? Horizontally a value is there. Now writing a bar here. This is a. So common term is a bar. Right. Next, now check vertically, column wise. The common term is 1. 1 is common is available. That value is belongs to C. So C, A bar C. Next, I given sigma here. So put plus mark. Now check another pair. Because we have two pairs. If only we have single pair, answer is A bar C. We can left it. But we have another pair also. So put plus mark and check answer. The common is A, and in these two columns, common is C bar. So A bar C plus AC bar. What is this value? A XOR of C. Okay, A XOR of C. This is the minimized expression. So A XOR of C. Okay. Next, fourth problem. Sigma 1247. I given 12479. And variables are PQR. Write PQR in same order. Okay. Next, 0, 1. 0, 1 means this is P bar, this is P. Okay. Next, this one Q bar, R bar, Q bar, R, and 1, 1. 1, 1 means Q, R. 1, 0 means Q, R bar. Okay, like that we have to write. Now place ones. Ones are available at 1, 2. Next 4, 7. Here 4 ones are not available. Okay, 8 ones also not available. 2 ones also not available. Group of 2 ones. So single terms only available. And if you observe like this, if K map is start with 1 and with gap, single gap is available, this K map answer is P XOR Q XOR R. Simply it is P XOR Q XOR R. Let us see by expanding the term. because we have single terms only, right? Write down those single terms. Write down those single terms now and expand it. So 1 means what? P bar, Q bar, R, plus 2 means P bar, Q, R bar, right? Next 4. 4 means Q, P, Q bar, R bar, plus next 7. 7 means triple one, P, Q, R. Now observe first two terms. In first two terms, P bar is common. Take P bar. What happens? We have Q bar R plus Q R bar plus next two terms P is common. Q bar R bar plus Q R. Okay. Next P bar. What is this equation? Q bar R plus Q R bar Q XR R plus P Q X NOR R, right? We can write that expression as P bar Q XR R plus P into Q XR R bar. Okay. Now let S is equal to Q XR R. Consider. Now write about P bar S plus P S bar. Then what happened? P XR S. Now replace S with Q XR R R. This is the final expression. Okay, like that we have to do. So no crack, no pets are level. So we use Boolean theorem, or from truth table we have to find the Boolean expression. Truth table looks like XOR operation. So it is P XOR Q XOR R. Or you can solve using Boolean theorems. Okay. Next example. Sigma 1 comma 3 comma 6 comma 7. 1 comma 3 comma 6 comma 7. Write down. I given now X, Y, Z. So take in same order X, Y, Z. Okay. Now place values 1, 3, 6, 7. So now check for pairs. I am taking this is as one pair, this is as one pair. So ones are covered. So don't select any other pairs. For suppose you start taking pairs like this 1 1 1 1. You take this one as one pair, this one as one pair. Now this one is available empty. So I am taking covering this one also. Okay. You take 3 pairs. Okay. Once again I am saying 1 1 1 1. So I am taking this is as one pair, this one as one pair. Okay. Enough. All ones are covered. So no need to take this green color pair. No need to take this green color pair. Okay. This is the redundant term. This green one is a redundant term. For suppose you started doing expression like this. You take this one first and immediately you take this one. Now this single one is available, so you taking this one also. Then what is expression? 3 pairs are available. For 3 pairs, write expression. So first pair For this one, x bar, and from these two we have z, right? And this column 1 1 1 1 means yz, and here x bar, sorry, x, this one here, x, next from these two y. By observing this one, what is this one? This is xy, right? This one yz, this one x bar z. This is conscious theorem. Consensus theorem means what is the final value? Xy plus x bar z. We can neglect this one. We know that. So final expression is what? Xy plus x bar z. So that if you consider these two pairs, what happens? This one x bar z and these two xy. So final expression is xy plus x bar z. So no need to consider this one. Okay. So see, here yz is redundant. No need to consider it. Once all ones are covered, no need to cover once again. Okay. No need to consider once again. Next, three variable K map. So I given now S0, S1, S2 with value 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Truth table. I am writing truth table like this. See, S0 here, 1 here, 2 here, based on weights. These are weights 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now I given expression what? 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now draw the K map. I am taking in this order S2, S1, S0. See, S2, S1, S0. Okay, follow in that order. So this one is S2 bar, S2, right? This one S1 bar, S0 bar. This one S1 bar, S0. This one S1, S0. Now this one S1, S0 bar. Now place values 0, 1, 2. Next 5, 6, 7. Now you have to select pairs. 4 ones are available? No. 8 ones also not available. Check for 2 ones now. Now I am taking these two as one pair. Okay. Now I want to take this one. Let us take, why not we take these two? So that ones are covered. Okay. Next, check these two ones. Okay. Then what is the answer? F is equal to, simply we covered all ones with 3 pairs. So don't consider this pair. Okay, don't consider this pair. Let us take another color. So don't consider this pair and this pair. Both are redundant. Waste. Redundant. These both are redundant. Don't consider these two pairs now. Okay. Now what is the expression final value? For this pair, common is S2 bar, right? S2 bar, and from these two columns, S1 bar plus. Now consider these two. Horizontally S2 common. Vertically from these two common is S0. Okay, plus. So this is horizontally no common. Vertically common term is 1 0. Means right same S1 bar S0 bar. So this is the final expression. Okay, this is the final expression. Now let us check for this truth table. We have one more solution also. Let us see that one also. Okay, one more solution is available. Okay, now I am taking green color. I am pairing. Now I am pairing first these two. I am pairing first these two ones. Okay, green color. Okay, now I am pairing these two ones. Corners also available, right? You can take corner one. These two one. So three pairs. We get how many pairs? Three pairs. First one, second one, third one. With covering all ones, right? With covering all ones, we get three pairs. So what is answer now? Check first pair. 0 1. 0 1 means S1 bar S0 bar plus next check this one, this pair S2 one second, this is S1 bar S0 not S0 bar, next S2 and common term is what from these two S1. Okay, plus now check corners. Common is S2 bar and one more is S0 bar. So sometimes K-map problems has two solutions. This is first solution, this is second solution. So without redundant terms. Here there is no any redundant term. Check it. No redundant terms. We cover all ones. Okay. Red color is one solution. Green color is one solution. So this is one pair. This is one pair. This is one pair. So red color is one solution. Green color is another solution. So we get two solutions. Total two solutions. Sometimes we get two solutions. In exam, you have to do both solutions. If you get, if not get, leave it. Okay. So see, here we have two solutions. Next, three variable K-map. S0, S1, S2, same is same problem. One second. Next problem. I given pi of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pi means you have to consider as max terms. Okay. Second is max terms. So place 0 set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also 0. 5 also 0. Okay, note 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also 0 up to 5. Now do K-map. Now I'm writing K-map. For this K-map, here we taking value is pi. Pi means what? This one is x. This one is x bar. Okay. 0, 0 means y plus z. Okay. 0, 1 means y plus z bar. 1, 1 means y plus, sorry, y bar plus z bar. 1, 0 means y bar plus z. Okay, like that you have to write. Now place zeros. At which position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now check for 8 ones. 8 ones not available. So next check for 4 ones. 4 ones. I am taking 4 ones. So this is one quad. Now we have left 2 zeros. Sorry, 4 zeros. You have to quad 4 zeros. Okay. Next 2 zeros are available. What we have to take? We have to give preference for quad. Okay. So don't consider this one as pair, because here we have group of 4 ones. So we have group of 4 ones here. So give preference to quad. Okay, don't give preference to pair. So don't consider green color here. So 4 zeros are available. How many quads are available? 2 quads. First quad, this one is first quad, this one is second quad. So what is the common term in first quad? First quad common term. Y is common. Okay. In second quad, X is common. See, X is common. So X into Y. Final expression is X into Y. Okay. Suppose you consider pair. What happens? So see here, the minimum expression is one AND gate is enough. For suppose you consider 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is one pair, one quad. So what is the expression for this one? Common term is y. If you consider this one only pair, what happened? The common term is x plus what here common term is y bar. Okay. What happened? Y into x plus y bar, right? What happens? Multiply it one. X into y plus y into y bar. What happens? Y into y bar is 0. So answer is xy. You get xy finally. Okay. So consider this one as pair. What is the main aim of K-map? Without using Boolean theorem, you have to reduce. Here we use one Boolean theorem. So without using Boolean theorem, we have to reduce. So this is, so consider this one as quad. Okay. Next, final answer is xy. Sorry, you have to take as x plus y, because okay, answer is x into y. I write x plus y. Here we take is pi. Okay, pi means x into y. Okay, next last one. Sigma 1367 with don't care I given 2 comma 4. So I am writing truth table. At the second and fourth position, I put x. Okay, I put x. Now place the values in truth K-map. So 1, 2 is don't care. 3 is 1. Next 4 is don't care. Next 6, 7. Let us observe here. We have 4 ones. No 4 ones are available. If you take this x value as 1, what we get? We get 4 ones. One quad is getting, right? So consider this x value is 1. So put x is equal to 1 and make it as quad. So what is the value of this quad common term is y. So this value is y. Next, this single one is available. So this single one can make a pair with this one. So first prefer pair. Okay. So 1 means what? Common term x. X bar into what is the common term here from these two? Z. So x bar z plus y. Final answer is x bar z plus y. Okay. So we're not considering this one. See, we're not considering D4. D4 is waste, no useful. So we put D4 is equal to 0. But D2, don't care 2 is considered. So we can take it as D2 as 1. Okay. So practice these problems. Okay, thank you for today's class.